Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing a little unboxing today. I needed some extra tools, and I also needed a brand new toolbox because the one I have over there is a little bit too small. With the little tools that I have acquired throughout these last few years, it's not big enough. So I've been in the market. I've been looking for a nice little toolbox that's gonna fit even more tools. So I wanted to get something bigger. I wanted to get something that was gonna be really affordable. So I wanted the most affordable thing that I could find. So I looked over at Temu and I'm like, you know what? Temu got some crazy ass deals going on right now. Let me see how I can save a lot of money because, you know, I'm trying to save money. And I came across this. Yeah, so we're gonna be opening this, putting it together, and then adding some tools in there. That way you guys can see how it comes delivered, shipped, and all that good stuff, and see how we're gonna be filling it in with some cool no tools as well. Nice rubber mat so you don't lay down your tools. This does come equipped with the two hole pans, which we're going to screw into the top right here, as well as all the hardware, the wheels, and everything else. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. I didn't really read the sizing too well, but this will do. Good thing about this as well is that you can also expand, so they do sell more that you could just keep adding more drawers to the side and just kind of run it down a wall. We might end up doing that because this might be good enough for another year or two, and then I'm gonna need even more space again. As far as the way it comes shipped really good. As you can see, everything was well packaged. Everything is well separated. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty surprised. Temu for the win. So we also needed to fill this toolbox up with tools because I needed more stuff as well. So I also ended up getting this 21 piece tool set right here. So a little bit of everything and anything that you're gonna need for your garage. So yeah, I mean, let's look at the quality of this stuff. Seems good to me. It'll get the job done. Like, yeah. I don't have all this extra amount of money to be buying expensive tools. So I got myself an affordable toolbox, some affordable tools, and we'll see where it goes from there. But I literally got everything and anything that I'm gonna need to work on my stuff. I mean, after I use these items later down the line, I'll let you guys know how they hold up, but yeah. I also ended up getting this, so I mean, we'll put this to the test as well because I am super tired of screwing everything on, and now with a power gun we'll be able to do everything much quicker too. Well, there you have it. Pretty good stuff, I've gotta say. This is the type of thing that you buy, you fill it up with tools, and you kind of don't touch. So, I mean, it's not like gonna be lugging this thing all around and see if it's gonna last or to the test of times. It's just to pack it up with tools. So to me, saving money on something like this is a no-brainer. Now, I did think it was gonna be bigger, so we're gonna have to get some additional ones to keep adding more tools. Anyways, I'm gonna be linking all the description to this stuff down below, so if you guys are interested in getting yourself a nice little toolbox, save yourself a whole ton of money, because compared to the competition, you're spending a fraction of the price on this stuff. So everything's gonna be down below. I also reached out to the people out to Temu. They were really cool to work with me on something, and I also got you guys a discount. So if you want to go ahead and save yourself a discount, then click that link down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. We got a lot of stuff planned for the Lowrider ST in the back. A lot of cool videos coming. Trust me, there's something huge coming. So yeah, tune in for that. If not, yes, subscribe. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so I don't notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.